Hi, I'm Charan Sachar, the artist behind Creative with Clay. I'm a hand builder, and most of the work I make involves the use of the extruder in one way or the other. I have been using an extruder for 20 years, and it is truly the most used equipment in my studio. In this workshop, I'll be walking you through the steps involved in making my oil bottles. I'll go over the ergonomic use of the extruder, my die design, and how I make the different components to make the bottles. Variations of these can be used for making vases, teapots, mugs, sculptural work. The possibilities are endless. My work is inspired by my love for fabric and how it is put together to make clothing and decorated with embroideries and textures. I find hand building with extrusions to be a great way to represent my inspiration in clay. So join me as we explore the use of the extruder to make unique work.